What is it?
Brady, look at it.
Look at that.
What is it?
Centro ID. That's what's up.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Whoops, Santa mixed. I think Santa mixed those up, but oh well, you guys play them together anyway, so whatever.
What?
You did a pretty good job.
Okay, good.
Yeah, let's just say this is
Santa's a little confused sometimes.
Okay, here's a flat one.
there's buttons on the top.
Hey. Okay,
very cool.
What?
Oscar's opening his.
Okay.
Open it. There.
Look out.
What the heck? There's Hello Kitty wrapped in paper also.
Whoa.
Ooh. Whoa, it's a weather comic.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, cool.
What's the weather doing out there, Oz?
I don't know.
Is it freezing fog? You're kind of the expert on weather. You are.
Looking for more.
Oh, I'm gonna open this.
Okay.
Chemistry.
Oh yeah.
It's chemistry. Ooh, here's a little small present.
Awesome. You love chemistry, huh? I knew that. That's why I got that, because I knew you loved chemistry. We'll have to do all kinds of chemistry experiments now.
Yeah,
That's an experiment book.
I know.
Okay.
Oscar.